Which shape is this? Square. Okay, now which shape is this? Very good. And this? Okay, circle, circle. This is a circle? Yes. Circle is round in shape. Circle is round. Okay, it has no corners. It has corners? No. It has sides? No. Okay, now which shape is this? Triangle. Which shape is this? Triangle. Yes, it has 3 corners and 3 sides. Okay, now which shape is this? Which shape is this? Square. Square has 4 corners. Good. And a square has 4 sides. Yes. 4 corners and 4 sides. Look at the objects. Which shape is this? The box? Square in shape. Okay. And the ring? Circle in shape. And this game is in triangle shape. Okay. Read again. Square, triangle, circle. Triangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. Circle is round in shape and it has no corners and no sides. That's good. We are going to ask to Rida. Rida, which shape is this? Yes, it has a corner or not? Yes, tell me. It is round in shape. Very good. And which shape is this, Rida? Yes, it has. Yes, triangle has how many corners? Yes, and how many sides? 1, 2, 3. How many sides? 3. How many sides? 3 sides. Which shape is this? No. Rida will tell me. Rida, tell me which shape is this? Which? Square. Square has 4 corners. Square has? Very good. And square has 4 sides. What is this? These are called sides. Yes, square has 4 sides. Very good. Clap it for Rida. Today now we are asked to Ali. Ali, which shape is this? Triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Very good. And 3 corners. 3 and 3 sides. Okay. Which shape is this? Okay. Circle is round. Which shape is this? सर्कल किस शेप में होता है? सर्कल राउंड होता है. सर्कल कैसे होता है? सर्कल इज राउंड. गुड. Okay, now tell me which shape is this? No. Square. Which shape is this? Square. Square has how many sides? How many sides? 4 sides. How many corners? No. Now, how many corners? Which shape is this?
Square.
Square. Square has 4 sides. 4 sides. And 4 corners. 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay? And 4 sides. Yes. Now tell me, what is this? Which shape is this?